Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, August 8th. The Zen story for today is titled The Door with No Inside. The door had always been there, tucked in the far corner of the meditation hall. Faded wood, no handle, no lock, no hinges anyone could see. Just a door-shaped outline, like someone had drawn it quickly and forgotten to finish. The monks never mentioned it. They walked past without looking, but the cat noticed. One morning, it padded quietly across the hall and sat in front of it. It stared. The door did not move. The cat sniffed along the edges. No scent. It pressed its paw gently against the wood. Nothing shifted. No creak, no give. The surface was cool and still. The cat came back the next day, and the day after. It tried crawling and under, scratching, nudging, meowing once, then again. At one point, it leapt onto a nearby shelf and launched itself toward the top of the frame. It bounced off and landed on the floor with a soft thud. Still, the door remained. Each time, the cat sat longer, not in defeat, but in quiet attention. By the end of the week, it wasn't scratching anymore. It was just sitting, breathing, watching. Hours passed. Light moved across the floor. Outside, the wind stirred the trees. A bell rang once in the distance. Then, without reason, the cat stood and walked away. It did not look back. That night, it slept in the garden under the open sky. The air was cool. The grass bent gently beneath its weight. Before its eyes closed, a thought, not quite a thought, passed through. Maybe there had never been a door, or maybe the cat had never been outside it to begin with. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What if the barriers you struggle against are made of your own attention? What if the barriers you struggle against are made of your own attention? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What if the barriers you struggle against are made of your own attention? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.